Okay, here is the Formal Elements project. I've already laid out my squares here, 3x3s, all in a row, and I've made my shape. I've cut out just some stuff out of a manila envelope I had laying around, but you can use any kind of, semi-cardboard kind of material or whatever. Scissors, X-Acto knife to cut out your stuff with. You don't know what X-Acto looks like. There it is. Okay. All right. I just chose a puzzle piece. It could be anything, but it needs to kind of fit nicely in this square. You don't want to be too big or too small. You don't want to be too detailed. And remember, it's just the jumping off point, all right? Now I'm going to take my puzzle piece here, and I'm going to use it as the springboard for my ideas in these three compositions. What I'm going to do is you're going to trace over them. Trace around your object here. I'm going to just let's trace this around real quick here. Zoom, zoom, zoom. There we go. And then this little blippy here. There we go. And then I'm going to continue to move it around. And I may decide to, let's see, I'm going to lay one right over the top here. Thusly, okay. I recommend that you kind of sketch these out beforehand. You put them on your nice paper. Now I've laid that one right over the top. I may not want to use this, so I might decide to take this part out. Or I may decide to keep it back in. I'm just going to estimate where it all was. There you go. And I may decide to take take this part out entirely and just use this as a shape. It's really a springboard. The shape really means nothing. What I'm trying to get you to see is that I'm going to lay another piece. I'm going to bring in a rulered element here. Use a big line there. There we go. Okay. And maybe another one here. There we go. All right. This is as important a shape as this, as anything else. Once I start layering all around, you can take out parts, you can keep parts in, you can add other elements to it like straight lines and shapes. Patterns, of course, is one of your formal elements that you can use. And stencils, you can make up your own. It can be a free-form pattern. You can use, maybe I want to put in a circle as well with this piece, okay? So don't be afraid to expand with some of your stuff, but really what's linking all of these pieces together is your beginning shape. Remember, I'm trying to get you to see something besides just this as an object. So say you had maybe you chose a shape of an apple. I don't want pictures of apples, okay? I'm trying to get rid of that idea of you seeing this as, I want you to see that this shape is as important as the original one, okay? That's what composition is about. Squint at your work from afar to make sure it looks balanced, and that's really a judgment call, okay? Balance meaning it doesn't look like part of it's missing or something's not right. If it looks uncomfortable or weird, then you may need to adjust your composition, all right? You need to have all of those formal elements that's in your handout showing up at least in one place in one of these squares. Some of them you're going to use in every single one, like line and shape, okay? But you may only have pattern in two or whatever. Totally up to you, okay? Email me with questions, show me your sketches if you need to, and remember, balance. And stay away from the center, stay away from really boring, trite compositions, okay? Good luck.